Today is Good Friday, when Christians remember the day they believed Jesus was crucified. Christians in the Holy Land offered prayers and held processions through Jerusalem's Old City. Many carried wooden crosses and followed the path Jesus walked on his way to death. Many people of faith are wondering why, on this special weekend, President Obama still has not filled a very important position in his administration, having to do with the defense of faith. Correspondent Shannon Bream explains.
I look forward to nominating our next ambassador at large for international religious freedom to help lead these efforts.
That's what President Obama said back in February at this year's National Prayer Breakfast. But months later, the critical State Department post remains unfilled. The president nominated Dr. Susan Johnson Cook to fill the position nearly 16 months after he was first sworn in. And since her resignation last fall, there's been no replacement. During this Holy Week marking Passover and Easter, GOP Senator Marco Rubio sent a letter to the president expressing his concern about the vacancy and urging that it be filled as soon as possible.
And if they were serious about protecting religious minorities, they have a position that actually does nothing but that. Speaks on behalf of religious minorities that are being oppressed around the world, and that position sits vacant with no one even being nominated.
According to the State Department, the ambassador at large is responsible for promoting religious freedom around the world as a fundamental human right, as well as identifying and denouncing regimes that are persecuting people on the basis of religious beliefs. And as massacres based on religious faith continue from Nigeria to Syria, State Department officials acknowledge how critical it is to quickly move forward with the nominee.
We obviously agree with folks out there on the need to fill the position. It's an incredibly important position. The White House and the State Department, we are actively working to nominate someone as soon as possible.
Place after place, we see an all-out effort to oppress Christians and other religious minorities. We need to stand firmly against that, and that's why it's so important to have an ambassador at large that does so.
Many urging the White House to name a nominee are hoping the new ambassador could take a more aggressive role with regard to U.S. citizens who are being held and tortured by foreign nations because of their faith, including Saeed Abedini in Iran and Kenneth Bae in North Korea. Brett?
Shannon, thank you.